core Java interview question and answer. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about one of the very important Java programming interview question. And question is here: how would you check if a given number is power of 2? Yeah, so this is basically really very important from interview point of view, as well as even though if you do not face any interview, then having this concept is really basically help you out in many situation, right? So how we can check a given number is a power of 2 or not? So here in this slide you can see uh, uh, you can see that only one bit is set for all numbers which are exponent of 2 or power 2. So if you could see here, when you write 2 raised to 1, right, means first bit is 1. So all the number here I have represented in the 8 bits, right? So 2 raised to 1 means first bit is 1. When you say 2 raised to 2 means second bit is 1, right? When you write 2 raised to 3 means third bit is 1. And similarly, if you write 2 raised to 4 means fourth bit is 1, 2 raised to 5 means fifth bit is 1, 2 raised to 6 means sixth bit is 1. So that's the concept we have, right? Based on this concept, how you can write a method which will tell you whether a given number is a power of 2 or not, right? So this is the method, basically very simple method. What you have to write, you have to write a method there. You can pass your input number, and first of all check whether number is greater than 0 or not, right? Basically this method is gonna work only for if number is a power of if that number is positive number, right? If you want this concept to work for basically a negative number, then little tweak is there, right? So first of all you need to check whether number is less than 0 or not. If that is the case, then definitely that number would be preceded with the minus sign, so make it positive and apply this concept after that, right? But here you can see, for example, in case of 32, right? So if you look into the in case of 32, when I say in case 32 means 2 raised to 5, and this is the number which we can represent in the 8 bit of binary representation, right? When we say 2 raised to 5 minus 1, then this is the number binary representation. If you calculate, right, 2 raised to 5 and bitwise operator of 2 raised to 5 minus 1, then this will give you the 0. And that's the reason second condition is number bitwise and operator number minus 1, that should give you 0. If this gives you 0 means that given number is the power of 2, right? Based on this concept, let's see how we can write entire program, right? So here I have already written a code. I will try to explain you. So here I'm making use of a scanner to take input from the keyboard. I'm asking from the users please enter number, and that I'm storing in this number variable, local variable, and just I'm making call to this method is power of 2 by passing this number. And here just I have written this simple method which basically checks first whether that number is positive or not. If that is the case, then second condition is going to check. If that returns 0 means that is a power of 2, right? If this comes true, that just we are printing given number is a power 2, else number is not power 2, right? If you want this concept should work for this method should work for negative number as well, then you need to make little change that I'm leaving off to you, right? How you can make those changes, right? So let's run this application and check. So here I'm gonna pass one number, let's say 23. Of course this is not a power 2, so saying that 23 is not a power 2, right? Let's check for some other number. Let's say I'm providing input as 64, so of course that is a power 2, so output is coming 64 is a power 2, right? So if I check let's say 600, of course this is not a power 2, so saying that 600 is not power 2. Now let's say 256, so of course this is a power 2, saying that 256 is a power 2. So this program is working perfectly fine for any input, right? So as far as source code concerned, I have already posted this source code on KK Java Tutorials blog. So if you go to our blog kkjavatutorials.com And in this section, interview questions, you have lot of I'm going to post a lot of questions you have already there. I'm going to post a lot of questions again, right? So in recently I have posted, so in home page you can see this question I have posted. So you will have to click on the read more. If you click over here, then entire concept I have explained over here, right? So that's all I have in this video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning this video, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.